I'm all choked up, I cannot talk. Got a fucked up brain and fucked up thoughts. Thought I was okay, but then I guess not. Hope you know that this is your fault. Won't you feel bad when you go to sleep? Hope you feel sad when you remember me. Hope you're feeling bad for all you did to me. Hope you lie there in your misery. Hey, little girl, you never believed there's a ghost inside of you, but it's hidden too deep. Hey, little girl, you'll never imagine you get a little older, you'll get abandoned. Hey, little girl, you know smoking kills. I don't really care 'cause I love how it feels. Hey, little girl, I'm falling apart. I don't really care 'cause they broke my heart. Fighting for all that I've lost, it's my time to show who's boss. Been waiting in the dark too long. I got this now, so just stay strong. Oh, you won't believe it. Up on stage, you make me bleed when you don't get your way. Hope you're scared when you remember me. Hope you lie there in your misery. Hey, little girl, you'll never believe there's a ghost inside of me, but it's hidden too deep. Hey, little girl, I'll never imagine you get a little older, you'll get abandoned. Hey, little girl, you know smoking kills. I don't really care 'cause I love how it feels. Hey, little girl, you're falling apart. Don't really care 'cause they broke my heart. I've been in and out of recovery. Remember when I could hardly breathe? Sat in front of the mirrors thinking to myself, can't get any clearer what I'm doing to myself. Been in and out of recovery. Remember when I could hardly breathe? I sat in front of the mirrors thinking to myself, can't get any clearer what I'm doing to myself. Hey guys, I'm gonna stop it there because it's quite emotional. Just so you know, the bullies that have hurt me out there, it really did hurt me, and I self-hurt because of it. So if you're being bullied, then you did nothing wrong, so don't hurt yourself. And if you're a bully, please think twice about other people's emotions because it really does affect them. Thanks.